Hello and welcome. So in today's video I have the Infinix iRocker TWS model number XE15. So in today's video I'll be taking a quick unboxing of this product and a review later on. So on the top we have some readings: pure tone, lightwear and sport headphones. On the back we have some of the specifications and the model number. We can also check the color of the headphones inside this box. Let's see what came inside the box. So we have the case itself, a warranty card, a user manual, and a macro USB charging cable, and some extra ear tips. So let's go to the casing. And we have a shiny black case with the brand name Infinix on top and some other specifications on the bottom of the case. Physical features of this casing are: we have an LED indicator over here and a USB charging port. On top we have the Infinix brand name, and at the bottom we have some specifications. The casing has a battery capacity of 300 mAh and a standby time of 100 hours. So inside the casing we have two earbuds, each earbud having a 40 mAh battery capacity, and on a single charge will get up to 4 to 5 hours of music time. Let's take one earbud out and see the physical attributes. At the top we have a big round button for powering, playing or pausing media. At the side we have an LED indicator together with the mic, two copper charging connectors, and finally an ear tip.